Welcome back to the channel. Nova Sport Rebuild, episode 2. Going to go and have a look at the body shop, see how they're getting on today. Had a lot of pictures, had a lot of videos from the guy painting it. So we're off to Gateshead in the northeast to go and see Tanfield Body Repair Centre. If anybody needs anything, they are absolutely fantastic what they do. So let's go and have a run over it and see how we're getting on. So Tanfield Body Shop, and the team Valley in Gateshead. So Bossy hard at work, and one Nova Sport. Few of the nice cars in here at the minute. Mark II Escort. Of course, a rally car, but main one. So there you are. Did have a bit more video footage, but the camera wasn't playing ball this morning, so had a couple of stills in at the end. Fantastic work, really good what they're doing with the putting the spot welds back in the arch. I think any Nova owner knows what that means. How many times have we all run my hand down the back arch and felt if the spot welds are still there. Yeah, so hope you liked it. Put some comments please. Good to see some feedback, positive, negative. Everybody got different opinions. It's great to see what people think. What we'd like to see in the videos coming up. Hopefully we can get a couple of other owners with cars that's on the road, do a couple of meets with them, see their cars, tell you a bit about the Nova Sport. Not everybody I think knows what they are. Obviously homologation special for those that don't know. Rally by like Sir Colin McRae in the day, but say we'll go through that in other episodes. If you please give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, say add the comments in and let us know what you think. Cheers, bye.